Did you know the word turquoise comes from the French for Turkish, as the turquoise gem was originally imported from Turkey? Here, you can see this color everywhere, in pottery, in Ottoman palaces, in sacred buildings, and in accessories. From Bodrum to Fethiye, nothing captures the Turkish coast like the Turkish Riviera, also known as the Turquoise Coast. Some parts of the idyllic Turkish Riviera, like Göcek, can only be reached by sea. So if you want to explore these untouched coves, Blue Voyage is what you need. The traditional Turkish sailboat is called a gulet. Here, you can enjoy a luxurious cabin, a cushioned deck, and say goodbye to your everyday responsibilities. It's like a gateway to heaven. The Turquoise Coast stretches all the way from the Aegean to the Mediterranean Sea. Every day you can drop anchor at a new bay and explore the coastline. You can swim in an isolated bay, get a perfect tan, eat like a king, and sleep underneath a starlit sky. Discover all this and more in Turkey, home of Turquoise.